In this video, I want to talk about email campaigns and how to use them. So what's an email campaign? Email campaigns are simply emails you proactively send out to promote your online store. They generally include some form of incentivization, for example, a discount code, for customers to visit your store and make a purchase. Unlike automated workflow emails, email campaigns are not automated and cannot be triggered by any particular condition, for example, a new subscriber. Email campaigns must be proactively and manually sent out by you. Okay, so I hope everyone understands the difference between email campaigns and automated workflow campaigns. Email campaigns are not automated, while automated workflow emails are, right? Email campaigns are intuitively probably what you think of when you think of email marketing, right? Sending out an email for a Christmas promotion or sale, that's an email campaign. Although you can't automate email campaigns, you can schedule them for a future date. So for example, if it's November, you can create an email campaign for Christmas and schedule it to be sent out on Christmas Day or whenever. Tip: set up a schedule of when you want to send out email campaigns annually. For example, you may want to send out an email campaign with a discount code for holiday promotions such as Christmas, Black Friday, New Year's, Thanksgiving, July 4th. Then you can use the same template every single year that you're in business. So you can have an email campaign set up, write out, take time to write out your email campaigns for the entire year, and then schedule all of those email campaigns ahead of time, and then just get it all done. And then every year you can kind of use that same template over and over. So I hope that makes sense. Email campaigns are just another way to send an email to a customer. The only difference is it has to be done proactively. You have to manually create an email campaign, and you have to manually set it up and send it out. All right? It's not going to be triggered in any way. Only you can determine when email campaigns are sent out. All right, guys, see you on the next video.